morning before some low pressure comes into the region heading east. So as we take a look here at our satellite and radar from this morning, we're seeing that system coming into the region, bringing with it warmer temperatures, but of course, wetter conditions. We do have one watch to talk about. We have a wind warning in effect for parts of Inverness County. That is going to be in effect as of this afternoon into the evening. We're looking at southeasterly winds gusting up to 110 kilometers per hour. Watching our current temperatures, we are seeing well above seasonal temperatures to start the day. So we're usually looking at negative numbers, and we're already seeing an increase in positive numbers, except for over in Cape Breton Island. So we're going to continue to see a little bit of a wind chill there this morning. As we head throughout the morning, that will start to lift as we head into today. Now, watching this forecasted timeline, a little bit more of a wintry mix up in northern parts of New Brunswick, as well as into eastern or western parts of Nova Scotia. That is going to continue into rain as we experience those warmer temperatures while this low pressure system moves through the region. So watching this timeline come through, we see it pretty much clear as of Wednesday. Wednesday we'll see more of the same milder conditions with this this low pressure system, however, not as mild as we're going to continue to witness for today. Watching our rain outlook, we are seeing the majority of that rainfall along that Bay of Fundy coastline as well as into western parts of Nova Scotia. As it makes its way into Newfoundland, we're going to continue to see heavier rainfall along the coast there, the Port aux Basques area, as we head throughout the day. Looking at the snow accumulated forecast, not a whole lot, just up in northern parts of New Brunswick and up in Labrador. And those gusting winds are going to increase as this system comes through, so we should see an increase in those winds later this morning into the afternoon, and then they start to die down as we head into the evening as this low pressure system moves east towards Newfoundland. We'll see a little bit of an increase in those gusting winds later tonight for that area. Now, taking a look at our current wind situation, not bad to start our day. We're seeing a little bit of an increase in those gusting winds. Again, like I said, we'll see those kind of gusting up into the late afternoon, but as we take a look here, pretty significantly high temperatures as we head throughout our day. Like I said, much higher than what we're used to seeing at this time of year. That's going to continue into all of the maritime provinces. We're seeing a little bit cooler temperatures over in Labrador, but again, still above seasonal for this type of year.
That's the forecast. Good morning, Brianne.
Good morning, Amanda. Yes, it will be a warm day, but a wet one out there as we're experiencing some low pressure moving in to the region. So we are going to see those higher temperatures, even up to 10 degrees in some areas. However, it will be wet as this low pressure system moves throughout the region. So impacting into New Brunswick this morning, and then we'll see that slowly move east towards the rest of Newfoundland, as well as into Nova Scotia and Prince Edward Island. We're looking at 9 degrees your high in Fredericton, 8 your high in Charlottetown, and 10 degrees your high in Halifax.